তুমি সর্বেশ্বরেশ্বর ব্রজেন্দ্র কুমার তুমি তোমার হই ছায় বিশ্বে সৃজন সংহার তোমার হই ছায় বিশ্বে তব ইচ্ছা মত ব্রহ্মা করে ন সৃজন তব ইচ্ছা মত ব্রহ্মা করে ন সৃজন তব ইচ্ছা মত বিষ্ণু করে ন পালন তব ইচ্ছা মত বিষ্ণু তব ইচ্ছা মতে শিব করে ন সংহার তব ইচ্ছা মতে শিব করে ন সংহার তব ইচ্ছা মতে মায়া সৃজে কারাগার তব ইচ্ছা মতে মায়া সৃজে কারাগার তব ইচ্ছা মতে জীবে জন্ম মরণ তব ইচ্ছা মতে জীবে জন্ম মরণ সমৃদ্ধি তাত দুঃখ সুখ সংঘটন সমৃদ্ধি পাত দুঃখ মিছে মায়াবদ্ধ জীব আশা পাশে ফিরে মিছে মায়াবদ্ধ জীব তব ইচ্ছা বিনা কিছু করিতে না পারে তব ইচ্ছা বিনা কিছু করিতে না পারে তুমি তো রক্ষক পালক আমার তোমার চরণ বিনা আশা নাহি আর তোমার চরণ বিনা নিজ বল চেষ্টা প্রতি ভরসা ছাড়িয়া নিজ বল তোমার ইচ্ছায় আছে নির্ভর করিয়া তোমার ইচ্ছায় আছে ভকতি বিনোদতি দিন কিঞ্চন ভকতি তোমার হই চায় তার জীবন মরণ তোমার হই চায় তার Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Gaur Premanande. In 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam has 3 chapters. The description of the appearance of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Morning time, right? From 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam in English, translation of our revered spiritual master, Sri Srimad A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj, was read. The evening time, Aditya Prabhu also read those 3 chapters and he spoke in Oriya language. In Harivansa there is also description the appearance of Krishna. In Gopal Champu, written by Sri Goswami, there is also description of appearance of Krishna. What I say, I will recite Gopal Champu, and I have to speak in 2 languages. First in Oriya, then in English. In this way, I will go on. I request one and all to sit patiently, quietly, and hear, concentrate attention, because the hearing of this transcendental Leela Kahani, Bhagavan Krishna is auspicious. Srimatan Sukatha Krishna Punya Savan Kirtan Vidastoya Bhadrani Vidunuti Susatham. Bhagavata says, to hear this transcendental Leela Kahani of Bhagavan Krishna is all auspicious. And it is, if you hear, putting full faith and concentrated attention, all the contaminations, material contaminations there in your heart will be cleansed out, heart will be purified, no other means is there. Therefore, Bhagavan Sri Krishna descends here. Though Bhagavan Krishna has his eternal abode in the spiritual sky, known as Sachidanandamaya Dham, Sanmaya Chinmaya Anandamaya Dham, full of eternality, full of knowledge, and full of blissfulness. He is always engaged there, completely absorbed there. This transcendental Leela, especially Ras Leela, he enjoys and he releases the mellow. Why he will come here? to this material world, which is not a dham, it's completely opposite. The transcendental dham, Sachidanandamaya dham, this material world is asat, achit, niranandamaya. It is temporary, it's full of ignorance, full of miseries. Why you come here? What business he has? Because Srudam Sarvabhutanam is the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. He has said that thing in Bhagavad Gita. You have forgotten Krishna from time immemorial. And you are under the clutches of Maya. But Krishna has not forgotten you, because he is a well-wishing friend. He always runs behind you. He is there in your heart as a Paramatma. He never deserts you. And it is sense here. This material world with this dham, with the associates, for many incarnations it is sense also. And manifest these transcendental leelas. The purpose is, this will be recorded, the leela kahanis will be recorded in books. And if their devotees, sadhu, Vaishnava, Mahajan, they will come, they will recite and speak, preach. This should be heard, this should be read, this should be meditated, this should be deliberated upon. Thereby, you will get peacefulness, blissfulness, heart will be cleansed off, that you can understand what is your constitutional position. Your constitutional position is eternal servant of the Lord, Krishna. Krishna is eternal master. And also, Krishna comes here, Kridartha, to play with his devotees, their devotees, to release his Leela, also the mellow of transcendental Leela. In addition, he also gives you opportunity to release it also. Moreover, he also comes here, sadhu sanrakshana, to protect their devotees. That's the purpose. So now, I will read from Gopal Champu. This in a nice song form. I'll sing. I want you to follow it with me. It's nice to sing it. Sigdha kantha madhu kantha nami kabi doyo. Sigdha kantha madhu kantha nami kabi doyo. Nanda rajo darobare niti gita gayo. Nanda rajo darabare niti gita gayo. Eko dino sabha madhye gita arambhilo. Eko dino sabha madhye gita arambhilo. Nanda rajo janamate tanaya pailo. Nanda rajo janamate tanaya pailo. Bahu jago jagya nanda putra lagi kore. Bahu jago jagya nanda putra lagi kore. Tabu putra nahi holo aponaro ghore. Tabu putra nahi holo aponaro ghore. সব ব্রজবাসিয়া বন্ধুজন যত ব্রজবাসিয়া নন্দের সন্তান লাগি ব্রত কইল কত নন্দের সন্তান লাগি ব্রত কইল কত তবু যদি যশোদার পুত্র নাহি হল তবু যদি যশোদার দুঃখ সুখে যশোমতী ভোজন ছাড়িল দুঃখ সুখে যশোমতী ভোজন ছাড়িল অধমুখে ধরা তোলে বসি নন্দ রানী নিরবধি অশ্রু ফেলি কান্দইয়া পনি নিরবধি অশ্রু ফেলি কান্দইয়া পনি দেখি গোপরাজ বড় দুঃখ পায়ে মনে দেখি গোপরাজ বড় দুঃখ পায়ে মনে প্রবোধ করায় নন্দ বিবিধ বচনে প্রবোধ করায় নন্দ বিবিধ বচনে বিধাতারো ইচ্ছা যাহা তাই হইবে বিধাতারো ইচ্ছা সে পুত্র মাগিয়ে আমি যজ্ঞে না ফেলিবে যজ্ঞে না ফলিবে তবে যশোমতী বলে শুন প্রাণেশ্বর তবে যশোমতী বলে শুন প্রাণেশ্বর আমার হৃদয় কথা কহিব তোমার আমার হৃদয় কথা কহিব তোমার সব ব্রত জাগ যজ্ঞ আমি সমাপিলু সব যজ্ঞ জাগ যজ্ঞ দ্বাদশী পরম ব্রত নাহি আচরিল দ্বাদশী পরম ব্রত নাহি আচরিল এ নবচন নন্দ করিয়া শ্রবণ আনন্দে উৎফুল্ল হই শুনাইল তুমি ওই প্রিয়ে ভালো কথা, সত্য সত্য এই ব্রত নাই কইল আমি, সত্য সত্য এই ব্রত নাই কইল আমি। তুমি সুধামুখী সাধ্বী কহিলে মধুর, তুমি সুধামুখী সাধ্বী কহিলে মধুর, পুরিবে অবশ্যবাঞ্ছা দুঃখ হবে দূর, পুরিবে অবশ্যবাঞ্ছা দুঃখ হবে দূর, তবে নিজ পুরোহিতে ডাকিয়া আনিল, তবে নিজ পুরোহিতে ডাকিয়া আনিল, দ্বাদশী ব্রতের বিধি বুঝিয়া লইল, দ্বাদশী ব্রতের বিধি বুঝিয়া লইল, স্নিগ্ধ কণ্ঠ বলে ভাই ওরে কিবা হইল, স্নিগ্ধ কণ্ঠ বলে ভাই এই দরবারে সব কথা খুলে বলো, এই দরবারে I'll speak in English. Gopal Champu described there are two poets named Snigdhakantha and Madhukantha. Daily they sing songs in the assembly of Nanda. One day they started singing how Nandaraj got sung. Nandaraj performed many sacrifices. Still, son was not born. All the residents of Brajbhumi, all his friends, all also took up some vow, some brata, about some worship for Nanda Maharaj to have a son. Still, no son was coming. Jasamati, wife of Nanda Maharaj, very much distressed, she gave up eating, always sitting, hanging down her face, only shedding tears, crying. Seeing this condition of his wife, Nanda Maharaj became very much distressed, consoled her various ways. What is the will of providence that will take place? His wife Jasoda Mata said, my dear husband, I'll tell what I thought up in my heart. I performed many sacrifices, took up many vows, brata, but I have not done Dvadasi Paramakata. Hearing this, Nanda Maharaj said, became very happy, said, yes, very good, we have not done so, so we must do. Nanda Maharaj called his priest from him. He heard what is the procedures, rules, regulations for this Dwadasi brother. Priest said everything. Then they decided we should observe this brother, pick up this brother. Then Madhukantha said, Nanda Jasomati Brata Basare ko koilo Nanda Jasomati Brata Basare ko koilo Brata se ek bado suswasna hoilo Brata se ek bado suswapna hoilo Swayam Sri Hari jena bale prasanna hoiya Swayam Sri Hari jena bale prasanna hoiya Ochire pholibe asa suno mon diya Ochire pholibe asa suno mon diya Prati kalpe hoi ami tomaro santana Prati kalpe hoi ami tomaro santana E kalpo se mat habo satya boli jano E kalpo se mat habo satya boli jano তোমাদের গুহে শিশুরূপে করিব বিহার তোমাদের রূপে নীতি দর্শনে আশা করিবে তোমার নীতি দর্শনে আশা করিবে তোমার এহে নমধুর প্রশ্ন এহে নমধুর স্বপ্ন দেখে নন্দ রায় এহে নমধুর স্বপ্ন দেখে নন্দ অকস্মাৎ নিদ্রাভঙ্গে বড় দুঃখ পায়ে অকস্মাৎ নিদ্রাভঙ্গে বড় দুঃখ পায়ে প্রভাত হইল দেখে ডাকে পক্ষী গণ প্রভাত হইল দেখে ডাকে পক্ষী গণ রানী সহ যমুনাতে যাইতে মন রানী সহ যমুনাতে যাইতে মন যথাবিধি স্নান করি রানীর সহিত যথাবিধি স্নান করি দান দিতে আরম্ভিল আপন হাতে তো দান দিতে আরম্ভিল আপন হাতে তো পাই আনন্দের দান সবে পূর্ণ হইল করি বইল নন্দ যশোদার বইল नंद महाराज की दशमती देवी की नंद रानी की गृहे ते आसियानंद श्री विष्णु पूजिल गृहे ते आसियानंद नित्य कर्म विधिजत सब मापिल नित्य सब समापिल अति शीघ्र दरबारे दही प्रवेशिल अति शीघ्र गुरु द्विज पूज्यजने वंदना करिल गुरु द्विज आसी बोले स्निग्ध कंठ ओरे की बा हलो মধুকণ্ঠ তবে কথা আরম্ভ করিল মধুকণ্ঠ তবে কথা আরম্ভ করিল I'll speak in English. Nanda Maharaj and Jasamati Rani, they took off this brother, absorbed for 1 year. So at the end of brother, Nanda Maharaj saw very nice dream. Lord Hari himself, being very much pleased, was saying that your desires will be very soon fulfilled. In every kalpa, I come as your son. In this kalpa also I will come as your son. This is true. I will manifest my babyhood leela in your gruha. Understand gruha? Every day you see it, you will be very happy. Nanda Maharaj saw this nice, very good dream. Then sleep broke. It was morning. Birds were chirping. Nanda Maharaj thought of he will go to take bath in Jamuna with his wife, Jasamati. Both Nanda and Jasamati came to Jamuna to take bath. Nanda Maharaj also took much wealth of charity, to give charity. All the demigods, munis, rishis, they all came in the guise of beggars to get charity from Nanda Maharaj. Nanda Maharaj and his wife Jasamati took bath. Then they started giving charity. All became very much satisfied and pleased, getting charity from Nanda Maharaj. All of them very loudly shouted, Nanda Maharaj ki jai! Jasamati Rani ki jai! Nanda Maharaj came back home and offered worship to Bhagavan Vishnu. Finishing every daily activities, Nitya Karma, he came to his assembly, Darbar, and also he offered respect the gurus, Brahmins, those who are worshipable, respectable personalities. After that, again Siddha Kantha. What happened then? Then he started saying, Radhodoro Bhare Nando Jokhona Bosilo Radhodoro Bhare Nando Jokhona Bosilo Dwari Kohi Radhbare Tapasi Ailo Dwari Kohi Radhbare संगे ब्रह्मचारी हो सुंदर दर्शन संगे ब्रह्मचारी हो ब्रह्मचारिणी संगे अति मनोरम ब्रह्मचारिणी संगे গাত্রস্থান কইল স্বাগত করিয়া শীঘ্র তাপসী লইল স্বাগত করিয়া শীঘ্র তাপসী লইল জন দিব্যাসনে বিরাজ হইলা তিন জন দিব্যাসনে পাদ ধৌত আদি করি মহাপূজা কইলা পাদ ধৌত আদি করি মহাপূজা কইলা যশোদা যোগিনী পদে কান্দিয়া পড়িল যশোদা যোগিনী পদে কান্দিয়া পড়িল যোগিনী আপন কোলে যশোদারে নীল যোগিনী আপন করে যশোদারে নীল দুঃখ নাই কর রানী দুঃখ পরিহর দুঃখ নাই কর রানী দুঃখ পরিহর ভবিষ্যতে হইবে গো সন্তান সুন্দর ভবিষ্যতে হইবে গো সন্তান সুন্দর শিরে হাত দিয়া করে শুভ আশীর্বাদ শিরে হাত দিয়া করে শুনি গোপ গোপী করে জয় জয় নাদ শুনি গোপ গোপী করে জয় জয় নাদ নন্দ রানী কি জয় বসুমতী রানী কি জয় And I will speak in English. The gatekeeper came and informed that one tapasi, one brahmachari had come. And with her a brahmachari was also there. Hearing this, Nanda Maharaj stood up from his asam seat welcome the brahmachari and brahmacharini tapasi, three of them seated, nice seats. Nanda Maharaj washed their feet, offered worship to them. Then Jasodama Mata cried at the feet of the brahmacharini tapasi. That tapasi took up Jasoda Mata into her lap and putting her hand on the head of Jasoda Mata, blessed her, said, "My dear queen, very shortly, my son is coming to take bath." Hearing all these things, all gopis, cowherd men and cowherd women, say, "Nandarani ki jai!" Said joy, joy. উপানন্দ হাসি বলে এ গোকুল বন, উপানন্দ হাসি বলে এ গোকুল বন, মহাতীর্থ রূপে তবে হইব গণন, মহাতীর্থ নন্দের বিশ্ববাণী শুনি সর্বজনে, নন্দের যোগিনীর পাদদ্বন্দ্ব বন্দে জনে জনে, যোগিনীর তবে করি দিল কুটির নির্মাণ, তাতে যোগিনী দেবী কইল অবস্থান, কণ্ঠ বলে ভাই আছে কি বা হইল, যশোদার গর্ভে কৃষ্ণ মধ্যে আইল, মধুকণ্ঠ মনে মনে করিল বিচার, সব গোপ্য কথা দি করিব বিস্তার, তবে নন্দ যশোমতী বৎসরে ধরি দ্বাদশী পালন কইল অতি যত্ন করি, তবে মাগি কৃষ্ণ প্রতি ওদের রাত্রেতে এক শুভ স্বপ্ননন্দ দেখে আচমিতে, নীড়বর্ণ এক শিশু গগনে বেড়া, স্বর্ণবর্ণ কন্যা এক তারে ঘেরি রয়ে, কিছুক্ষণ পরে দোহে নন্দ হৃদি মাঝে পরম সুখের তাই আনন্দে বিরাজে, নন্দ হৃদি হতে পুন যশোদার গর্ভতে চিরভাবে বিরাজিত দেখে গোপপদে, সেই হইতে যশোদার গর্ভের প্রকাশ দেখি গোপীমণি ছাড়িল নাচ সব গোপ গোপী করে আনন্দ উত্তর নিত্য মহা মহোৎসব আনন্দ মঙ্গল বহু দান ব্রাহ্মণের দেহ গোপ রাজ নিত্য দর শনে হইল দেবীর সমাজ নিশিদিন নন্দ গৃহে কেবাসে তাহার নির্ণয় কেহ করিতে না রয়ে ক্রমে ক্রমে বাড়ি গর্ভ 8 মাস হইল এ মাসে সন্তান হবে জ্যোতিষী কহিল ভাদ্র কৃষ্ণাষ্টমী দিন সমাগত হল আদি শিশু হবে বলি ধাত্রী সব কইল আদি শিশু হবে বলি ধাত্রী সব কইল ভাদ্র কৃষ্ণাষ্টমী তিথি কি জয় কৃষ্ণ আবির্ভাব তিথি কি জয় So then hearing this, Upananda became very joyful and said, this Gokulvan will be a Mahatirtha. Hearing this prophecy, all the inhabitants of Brajbhumi were very happy, joyful. All came and paid Dandavat Pranam at the feet of that Yogini, Brahmacharini. They made a kutir, cottage for that Yogini. Understand, Yogini, Brahmacharini, Tapasi. She stayed there. Then Snigdhakantha asked, my dear brother, Madhukantha, now tell how Krishna came, the womb of Jasoda Mata. Madhukantha then spoke all confidential truth. For 1 year, continuously, Nanda and his wife Jasamati, that Dvadashi Vrata they observed. Magha Mas, month of Magha, Krishna Pratipada, first day of dark fortnight of month of Magha, that night Nanda Maharaj saw a very good dream. He saw a baby, a child, is moving, is Nilavarna blue child, moving in the sky, and a girl whose bodily complexion of that of golden hue also surrounds him. This dream he saw. After that, 2 of them entered into the heart of Nanda Maharaj. Then blissfulness, both of them stayed there, heart of Nanda Maharaj. Then they came out from the heart of Nanda Maharaj, entered into the womb of Jasoda Mata. Nanda Maharaj saw this thing in the dream. In this way, Jasoda Mata, pregnancy of Jasoda Mata, seeing these all gopis, very blissful, happy. Every day there was Mahotsava grand festivals. See? Such grand festival going on, all are observing, you are sleeping. How is it? Huh? What is it? You can take part. Huh? Nanda Maharaj was giving much charity to Brahmanas, Vaishnavas. Some goddesses were also coming there every day and night. Who is coming, who is going, nobody can say. So many are coming, so many are going. Nobody can calculate. In this way, 8th-month pregnancy. About 8th-month pregnancy. Astrologers say, this month, child will take birth. 8th month. In this way, this day came, the month of Bhadra, the 8th day of dark fortnight, came this most auspicious Tidhi, Bhadra Krishnastami Tidhi ki Jai, Janmashtami Tidhi ki Jai. The nurse said, today the child will take birth. Nurse said. Understand? Then the maternity, let's say home, maternity home was prepared. Sigro suti gruho eko nirmana korilo pushpa malya adidei sajjadi rachilo fulero torana kailo sab phul sade uttam ধাত্রী তাহাতে বিরাজে এথা দেব গণ সব আনন্দে মাতিয়া মৃদু মন্দ পারিবর্ষে হরষিত সে দিবস কিবা সুখ গোকুলে হইল সুখের সমুদ্রে যেন সকলে ডুবিল কিছু নিশি সব গোপী জাগিয়া রহিল কৃষ্ণের মা যায় পরে নিদ্রাগত হইল কালে বড় সুখে যশোদা সুন্দরী প্রবশিল প্রসবিল পুত্র রত্ন কেহ নাই রে প্রসবিল পুত্র রত্ন কেহ নাই রে যশোদানন্দন কি This Tithi came, Bhadra Krishna Ashtami, 8th day of dark fortnight, month of Bhadra, the auspicious day. Nurse said, the child will be born today. Immediately, a maternity home was prepared, decorated very nicely, the garlands of flower garlands are hung like this. Yes. The gates were also made out of various flowers. Very good expert nurses came to take care of the mother and child. All the demigods became very joyful in heavenly planet. Indradev was showering rain. Yes. Become very joyful. That day, all the Brajvasis, heavenly planet, demigods, everywhere. All were very, very joyful, blissful. Yes. Supreme Lord will take bath. Se divasa kiva sukha gokule hoilo, sukhe samudre jena sakule dubila. That day, such happiness, it is the ocean of happiness. All were drowning deep in the ocean of happiness. Yes. Kichu nishi sab gopi jagya rahilo, usner maya pare nidra holo. All gopis kept themselves awakened some night. But then all fell asleep because of Maya Krishna. You understand? Krishna Maya, understand? Huh? Understand? Yeah. So all were when child took bath, all were asleep. Just the mother was also asleep. There was no pain at all. Huh? Just the mother, no pain. Without pain, just the mother, the bath. So, Krishna, the Supreme Personality, Putra Ratna, that Putra, the son is invaluable gem, yes, Niramani, isn't it? Jasdanandan ki jai! Sei kale mathurate devaki garbhete devarupe dhanne hari ishvara murtite sundara kiriti sohe shirete taharo dari bhuje Sankachakra Gadamanahara Kanaka Kundala Kani Paridhala Malo Rupe Rocho Taedi Hoeta Ujjala Devaki Sundari Kara Jode Tuti Kare Bhumi Tale Pari Vasudeva Sigra Kari Manase Snana Kailo Mane Mane Jamasobe Gabhidana Dilo Korilo Stavana Bahu Devo Narayani Tabe Narayana Tare Kohile Sakyate More Loi Ebe Chalo Gokula Nagore Jasodaro Kole Rakho Oramo Adore Suniya Horiro Bhakyo Vasudeva Dhiro Putra Loi Sigra Kari Oilo Bahiro Jai Kale Kansa Puri Hote Bahirilo Jasodaro Unoeko Konyaratno Holo Bhora Jamunaye Dekhi Vasudeva Gane Kemani Jamuna Pare Gariba Gamani. So when Dasada Mata gave birth to child, that is Krishna, nobody, all were asleep. Exactly at that time in Mathura, in the prison house of Kansa, Devaki also gave birth to a child. You understand? Same time. That is described in 10th kind of Bhagavatam. Picture is there. Lord Hari appeared there in four-handed form. On his head, nice helmet, crown was there. Four hands there are, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. Council list. Chakra, council list. Club and lotus. Kanaka Kundavakani, 2 years. The golden earrings. Bright effulgence are coming out from his body. So though it is dark, hot night, cloudy weather, still the effulgence coming from the body of Lord Hari, illuminated. Seeing this wonderful child, Devaki, with the folded hand, paid obeisances and offered prayer. Vasudeva also immediately took bath. How he took bath? In the prison house. Meditation in mind, Manasa Snan. And also in his mind, he observed grand festival, birthday, yes, of Lord Hari. He gave many innumerable cows as charity to Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. Mind, he did everything. And also he offered prayer to Lord Narayana. Then Narayana told him, take me to Braja Gokul. Immediately, take me to Braja Gokul. Put me in the lap of Jasoda Mata. Hearing this, Vasudeva was very happy. Immediately got out from the prison house of Kansa by wonderful will of Lord Hari, or you see, those who are guarding prison, they all fell asleep. Very strong iron doors, shackles, everything open. Yes, he was free. You come out. When he came out, Vasudeva came out from the prison house of Kansa. Exactly at that time, Jasoda Mata gave birth to a girl, daughter. Yes. That time, first a son, then a daughter. And Vasudeva came to the bank of Jamuna, saw there was high flood, Jamuna. Yes. Oh, the land was inundated, very high flood. Then thinking, how can I go? Heno kale mahamaya sugaliro bese jamuna yaparo hoye tori se taro piche jay Vasudeva dhiro heno rupe aile no Nandayra mandiro Jasodaro bole dilo Aponna tono Jasoda nandini niye Chole basuraye Siddha kantha bole bhai Ei kiba kotha পুত্রটি তবে আছিল বা কোথা মধুকণ্ঠ বলে ভাই তর অবধান বড়ই দুর্গম লীলা এই সব জান যশোদার কন্যা সাক্ষাৎ যোগ মায়া নন্দ্রপুত্র তাখেতে রূপে আছা দিয়া सब विष्णु तत्वे अंशी नंदपुत्र ओ वसुदेव अंशवासु देव नामे कोये नदी गण देन मते सागरे मिला সেই মত अंशदत्त अंशी देवी যোগ মায়া সত্যে বসু ইহা নাই জানে অজ্ঞাতর তিলতার এসব আখ্যানে হরিবংশেতে আছে ইহার প্রমাণ এককালে দুই স্থানে জন্মের আখ্যান। Oh, Vasudeva was thinking how to cross river Jamuna. Jamuna river was high flood. At that time he saw Mahamaya in the form of a sea jackal going. You understand? Crossing Jamuna. So Vasudeva followed it. Followed her. Yes. The sea jackal is going. And I was thinking, so high flood. So in this way he came to Nanda Maharaj's quarters. There he kept, put his own son in the lap of Jasla Mata and took the daughter, Jasla, with him. Hearing this, Snigdha Kantha said, "What is this?" Jasla Mata gave birth to one son, one daughter. Vasudeva took the daughter. Where is the son? Madhukan said, "Alright, you see, this is very confidential matter." The son Jasla Mata gave birth to was Sakshat Jogamaya. Therefore, the Jogamaya covered, kept Nanda Putra, son of Nanda, covered, kept him covered. Therefore, Vasudeva couldn't see the son of Nanda. Do you understand? Only he saw the daughter. So, son of Nanda Maharaj, Nandan, Jasla Nandan, Swayam Bhagavan, Bhagavan Swayam, iti chan sakala punsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, isn't it? Krishna, Nandanandana Krishna, Jasodanandana Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. And all avatars, there is plenary portion of the portion, Ansa and Kala. When Krishna comes, Swayam Bhagavan Krishna comes, all is portion of portion, Ansa, Kala, all come, all are there in him. Yes. Son of Vasudeva is Vasudeva, 400 form. Vasudeva is plenary portion of Krishna. Yes. So, and Vasudeva put his son in the lap of Jasoda, that Vasudeva entered into Krishna. You understand? Because Vasudeva is plenary portion of Krishna. Understand? As the rivers flow and enter into sea, ocean, similarly, all the plenary portion will come and enter into Ansi. That this is the activity of Jogamaya. Therefore, Vasudeva couldn't know all these things. It was unknown to Vasudeva. In Harivansa, description is there how simultaneously in two places Lord Hari took birth. In Harivansa is mentioned, Garbhakale tu sampurne ashtame masi tai striyo Devaki cha Jasoda cha Susubate Samtadaha. Harivansa, it is mentioned that the 8th month of pregnancy, generally it is 10 months, but 8th month, incomplete. 8th month, both Jasoda and Devaki gave birth to Lord Hari. Understand? After that, Jasoda gave birth to one daughter. She is known as Yogamaya. With Yogamaya, Mahamaya was also born. Vasudeva took Mahamaya. Yogamaya stayed in Brajbhumi. Vasudeva took Mahamaya and handed it over to Kansa. Yeah. It was declared that this womb, 8th womb, daughter has got no son. Kansa was cheated. Jasodanandan, son of Jasoda Mata, is Swam Bhagavan, Swam Lord Hari, Sakshat Bhagavan. From the womb of Devaki came Vasudeva. 401 is Prabha Prakash of Krishna. Alright? Prabhava, Vaibhava. 2 types. You don't know all these things? Prabhava, Vaibhava. Why? Why have you not known all these things? Are you not reading? Generally, in 2 ways, Prabhava and Vaibhava, Lord Krishna, expansive. Prabhava Prakash, Vaibhava Vilas. Prabhava Vilas, Vaibhava Prakash. 2 categories. One is temporary, one is eternal. In Prabhava Vilas, temporary category comes Mohini, Hansa, Sukla, all incarnations. Eternal category comes Dhanvantari, Rishabha, Vyasa, Dattatreya, Kapila, etc. Vaibhava Prakash, partially powerful. In this category comes Kurma, Matsya, Naranarayana, Varaha, Hayagriva, Krishnigarava, Baladeva, Jagya, Vibhu, Satyasena, Hari, Vaikuntha, Ajita, Vamana, Sarvabhauma, Rishabha, Vishwasena, Dharmasetu, Sudhama, Yogeshwara, Brodbhana, etc. These are Prabhava Vaibhava. You understand? Yes. Snigdha Kantha Bhole Bhai Nandoschavo Katha Snigdha Kantha Bhole Bhai Uttam Rupe Dekha Bolive Sarvodha Madhu Kantha Bole Tave Karo Bodhana Krishna Prasodero Katha Nahilo Sandhano Sabe Nidra Sikhe Sara Nisigo Ailo Poro Bhato Talkrame Asi Dekha Dilo Tabe Lila Kori Hari Kande Ucho Sore Jage Sigro Jasamati Modito Antore. Then Snigdha Kantha told story, Nandostsava, Nanda Maharaj festival. Madhukantha then told, all were asleep, and Jasoda Mata gave back to Krishna. whole night always asleep. In the morning, then it was morning. At that time, Lord Hari started crying. Crying sound, all were awakened. Yes. Jasamati, mother Jasada also awakened and saw a son, nice son. देखिया तनय जसमती माई सुखेरो पथारे भासे देखिया तनय की करी बुझिते न पारी बड़ सुख मने भासे नयन तेजर धरिछे अधर स्तन हते धरे क्षीर नयन तेजर धरिछे स्तन हते धरे क्षीर शिशु कोले करी दशमती बसिछे हैया तीर नव शिशु कोले करी दशमती बसिछे हैया तीर. Can sing this wonderful, very nice, beautiful song. Mother Jasada completely drowned in the ocean of blissfulness. She couldn't think of what to do. She was shedding tears of love, blissfulness, and from her breast, milk was also flowing. Newborn child was there in her lap. Those was looking at it, very blissful. প্রেমে গদ গদ মাতা বচন না সুরে আনন্দে বিবসতন স্নেহে নেত্র ধরে অতদিন অন্য পুত্রে কইল নিরীক্ষণ আজি আপনার শিশু নীরে স্তন ক্ষীরে বস্ত্র ভিজি যায় আনন্দে পুত্রের মুখ যশোদা দেখো হেতা রাত্রি গণ গোপনারী গণ সে কন্দনে জাগিয়া ছিল সর্বজন এটি কন্যা নয় পুত্র বলি উত্তর তখনই গো কুলে বহে আনন্দ হিল্লোল যশোদার নবজাত শিশু দেখিবারে আইসে গোপী নন্দরাজপুরে স্বর্গে দুন্দুভি বাজে নাচে দেবগণ হরি হরি হরিধ্বনি হরি লবগণ হরি হরি হরিধ্বনি হরি লবগণ হরি হরি প্রেমে গদগদ মাতা বচন নস্ফুরে আনন্দে বিবসতন স্নেহে Jasada Mata was joyful, blissful. Her voice was faltering, to speak in things, shedding tears of love. She was, up today, she was looking at the other sons. Today, she was looking at her own son. Tears coming down from her eyes and milk flowing from her breast. Our sari was completely soaked wet. Again and again, Masla Mata was looking at the beautiful lotus-like, moon-like face of her son. All the nurses, all the gopis, all became awakened hearing that sound, crying of the newborn child. All came and said, "Oh, it is not daughter, it is a son. It was the mata given birth to a son." All were very happy. Now, that is blissfulness. As if whole Gokul, Brajabhumi, was drowned, ocean of blissfulness. Yes. To see the newborn son of Jasoda, all gopis came running Nanda Maharaj and to Nanda Maharaj's quarters. The demigods were dancing there, heavenly planets and beating the drums, kettle drums. All were saying, "Hari, Hari, Hari Bol!" 14, what's say, planetary systems are jounded. Devo nari kore sukhe, puspavori sahana, mohanande nacharo, gopo nari gano, etha sabo gopo gano, anando sagore, asireno paraspar alingana kore, shigro nando sano kori, beder obidhane, putrer jato karmadi kore, ati sabodhane, purohito dijagana, স্বস্তি বাক্য বলে আসিতে লাগিল বাদ্য তার দলে দলে আনন্দে সকলে করে বিবিধ বাজন ত্রিভুবন বাদ্যরত বাজিল তখন মহানন্দে পূর্ণ হইল ত্রিভুবন সাধু দ্বিজ জীবীর দুঃখ হইল বিমোচন সাধু দ্বিজ জীবীর দুঃখ হইল বিমোচন। In the heavenly planet, Devanaris, the wives of demigods, they were showering flowers. All gopis, they were dancing blissfully. They are all drowning in the ocean of blissfulness, happiness. One was embracing the other. Love and affection and blissfulness. Immediately, Nanda Maharaj took bath according to Vedic rites. Then he performed the Jata Karma. The ceremony of child bath. You understand? Priests, Brahmanas, all came and they were all uttering Swasti Vachan. What is that? Auspiciousness. Swasti Vachan. Many musicians came, drummers came, the drum, varieties of musical instruments played, Vividha Vajan, all the musical instruments and drums, kettle drums, three planetary system, everywhere sounded Mahanande Purna Hila Tribhuvan Sadhu Dijapnira Kaila. Tribhuvan, three planetary systems completely filled with supreme happiness, Mahanand, great happiness. Prithvi Devi was very, very distressed, overburdened, and by the heavy burden of the asuras, demons. Now demons will be killed. Prithvi Devi will be, Mother Earth will be relieved. The burden, heavy burden. Sadhus, Vaishnavas, Dvijas, Brahmanas, Vaishnavas, they are all happy. কোথা গেল নন্দ ঘোষ এর দেখো আসি তব গৃহে উদয় আছে কত শশী এতে কদিবসে জন্ম হইল সফল মনের আনন্দে নন্দ দেখই কুমার মনের আনন্দে দেখো বদন কমল যশোদার পুত্র হইল পড়ি গেল সারা মহানন্দে নায়াইল যত গোয়াল পাড়া নন্দের মন্দিরে গোয়ালা আইল ধাইয়া হাতে লাড়ি কান্ধে ভারো নাচে ঠেয়া ঠেয়া সবে বলে নন্দ ঘোষ বড় ভাগ্য তোর তব গৃহে কাহিয়া দো আনন্দের নাচয়ে হরিষে নন্দ পুত্র মুখ চায়া চৌদিকে গোয়াল নাচে করতালি দিয়া স্বর্গে নাচে দেবগণ পাতালে নাচে ফণি অন্তপুরে রানী নাচে পায়া নীলমণি শিব নাচে ব্রহ্মা নাচে আর নাচে ইন্দ্র শিব নাচে ব্রহ্মা নাচে আর নাচে ইন্দ্র গোকুলে গোয়াল নাচে পাইয়া গোবিন্দ গোকুলে গোয়াল নাচে পাইয়া গোবিন্দ দধি হরিদ্রানে আর গৌর চরণা দিলু দুবাহু প্রসারিয়াছে আহিরি অঙ্গনা যদুনাথ দাস বলে সুনানন্দ রানী কত পুণ্য বলে তুমি পাইলা নীলমণি কত পুণ্য বলে তুমি পাইলা নীলমণি। So Nanda Maharaj came, all Gopi said, "You Nanda, come, see such beautiful son. তব গৃহে উদয় হইয়াছে কত শশী, innumerable moon of horizon in your গৃহ Nanda Maharaj. অতক দিবসে জন্ম হইলা সবল মনের আনন্দ দেখো বদন করো। your birth. Yes, you achieve perfection. In this birth, after long time, so long years have passed. Come and see such beautiful face of your son, lotus-like face. Jasodar putra hilo padigalo sada, Mahanande hayalo to Goyalpada. This news spread throughout Gokul, Rajbhumi, all our men, our women, all came running to Nanda quarters, Nandere Mandiri, Goyalailo Dhaya. All our men came running. Brahma you saw. In the hand they have the stick, and in their shoulder they have this, what's that? What do you say? They are carrying? What is that? What do you say in English? Kande bharo, carrying this. They are carrying a stick. They are carrying, what do you say? What do you say? Bag. Bharo, who is bharo? No English, Kande bharo, hate badi. The hand, they have stick, kande bharo. Coming, dancing. They are performing dance drama, you see. Sabe bole Nanda Ghosh, bada bhagya tor, taba gruhe nahi aji anandar. All were saying, oh Nanda, very, very good fortune, such excellent good fortune you have. Today, ocean of bliss is there in your house. Nachaye Harise Nanda Putra Mukha Chaya, Chaudhuri Goyal Nache Konpalya. Nanda Maharaj sing beautiful face, lotus-like face of his son, dancing, blissfully dancing, all directions, all cowherd men are also clapping their hands and dancing. And the heavenly planets, the demigods are dancing. Neither planet, the Patal, the snakes, they were dancing in the inner quarters. Just the Rani were dancing and getting Nilamahani. Shiva was dancing, Brahma was dancing, Indra was dancing. All the cowherd men, all the inhabitants of Gokul, all were dancing. Blissful. Dadhi Haridrane Ar Guruchana Dubahu Kosari Nas Ase Ahiri Angana all came bringing Jogrut, Haridra, Guruchana, all cowherd men. They all came with all these presentations. Jadunath Das bole Sunanandarani Kodu Punya Phole Tumi Paila Nilamani. Jadunath Das has composed this poem, said, O Nandarani, O wife of Nanda Maharaj, you got Nilmani as you have such good fortune and you are acquired such spaciousness as a result that today you got Nilmani. That is Krishna, it's a blue child. Krishna Janmashtami Tithi ki jai. Krishna Janmashtami Tithi Mahamahotsava ki jai. Madhura Krishnashtami Tithi ki jai. Bhagavan Krishna ki Avirbhava Tithi ki jai. Brajendra Nandana Krishna ki Avirbhava Tithi ki jai. Nanda Nandana Jasoda Nandana Krishna ki jai. Samaveta Bhakta Vrinda ki jai. Samaveta Krishna Bhakta Vrinda ki jai.